We'll guide you through how to add a calendar in Trello. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and navigate to the board where you want to add the calendar. You need to make sure you have the Power-Ups feature enabled on your board. To do this, click on the Show menu button on the right side of the board, then select Power-Ups from the menu. In the Power-Ups directory, use the search bar to find Calendar and click on Add to enable it on your board. Once added, you can access the calendar by clicking on the Calendar option that appears at the top of your board. The calendar will display all your cards with due dates in a monthly or weekly view. If you want to add a due date to a card so it appears in the calendar, simply open the card, click on Dates, and set the due date and time. You can also choose to enable calendar sync with external calendar apps like Google Calendar or Apple Calendar. To do this, click on the gear icon next to the Calendar Power-Up and select Calendar Settings. Here, you'll find options to enable iCal Feed, which you can use to sync with your external calendars. Copy the provided iCal link and paste it into your external calendar's subscription settings. This way, all your Trello due dates will automatically appear in your personal calendar, allowing you to manage your tasks seamlessly across platforms. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.